In this video, we will create a data frame from a dictionary using the from dict method, from underscore dict. Okay. So in the previous video, we had discussed about the data frame constructor. So here we will be using the from dict method. So we'll import pandas as pd. Okay. And then let's make a dictionary student underscore dictionary equals, let me make the key as name, and I'll make a list of names, Joe, Tom, and let's say John. Okay, and we'll give some age as well. So let's make the key as age, and then let me put 21, 22, and 20, let's say 23. Okay, and let me put some marks, 90, 91 and 89. So here we will be making the keys like name, age as the index. Okay, so let me make the student underscore data frame equals pd dot data frame dot from dict, and let's put the data as student underscore dictionary, and here we will be using the orient. So this orient will change the index, okay, to the keys. So the index will be the keys. Okay, so let's make the columns equals, let's make the column as student 1, student 2 and student 3. So let's print the data frame student underscore data frame. So let's run it. So you can see here name, age and marks, which were the keys, are now the index, and you can see the column names. So now we'll see the data frame from dictionary where values are variable length list. So for that I am going to make the dictionary student underscore dictionary, and here we will put variable values. So I am going to make the first as grade A. Okay, so it is a dictionary, so we have to give curly braces, and then in grade A I am going to put two names, Joe and let's put John. And now I am going to make grade B. Okay. In grade B I am going to put only one. Let's put Tom inside it. Let's close the bracket, and now let's make the data frame. Before that I am going to print, let's print the student underscore dictionary. So let's run it. So you can see the dictionary here. So now I am going to make student underscore data frame equals, let's put pd dot data frame. So we'll be chaining here data frame, stack and reset index. Okay, and then we'll be using from dictionary. Okay, and here we'll be putting the student underscore dictionary, and the data will be index, and now we'll chain it with stack dot reset index, and let's put level equals 0. Now let's print the student underscore data frame. So when I run it, I am seeing the output as this. So here, if such a dictionary object needs to be converted into data frame such that keys and value will be added as columns in data frame, then we can be using the chaining of data frame from dict, stack and reset index. So now we will see data frame from a nested dictionary. So let's make a nested dictionary. So student underscore dictionary equals, so I am going to make a nested dictionary as, let's put grade A, and then I am going to make nested with class A. So in class A there will be some students, so I am going to put the student names as, let's put name, and then I am going to put the name as, let's put Joe, and let's put the marks of Joe as marks, me put it as 90.7. Okay, now I am going to just make here another one. So let's make class B. Okay, so in class B there is another student. Let's name it as name, and here the name will be, let's put Tom, and let me give the marks, and the marks will be, let's say 90.99. Okay, and now we'll make another one. Let's make it grade B. Okay, and then let's copy the above one. So we'll be using the same thing. So let me copy it. And I'm pasted it here. Okay, so let's check here. Okay, let's change the names. Let me give here John, and let me give here Harry. Okay, so here this was our dictionary. So let's print it and see if there is an error or not. Student underscore dictionary. So everything is fine. So now let's create the data frame. Student underscore data frame equals pd dot data frame dot from dictionary. Okay, and then let's make it here. Let me put I comma j. Okay, and then we'll be using here student underscore dictionary I and j. Okay, and then let's make a for statement for I in student underscore dictionary dot key. Okay, and then we'll make another for statement for j in student underscore dictionary, and then here we'll be using I dot keys. And now let me put the orient also. Orient equals index, so our keys will be the index. So let's print the data frame student underscore data frame. So you can see here grade class